Hello. I need to duplicate this coil. It's from a Sub-Zero fridge. And the problem is that it's got a hole somewhere in here and it's aluminum, so I cannot weld it. What I have instead is this coil. It's aluminum too. The one on Sub-Zero is just coated with some black paint. It doesn't really matter. And this one is probably twice as thick. So what I want to do, what I did actually already, with the one before, I'm going to take it apart, cut it, cut the aluminum foil, those, and make a bend of about 90 degrees. So make a bend of about 90 degrees all along those two pipes to make it settle. Then what it'll give me is this double uh, this double decker will become a one ply coil. It'll be a little longer than the original, but there is space, not worry about that. So what I've done now is I've taken the side, whatever it is, the side railing or whatever on one side. I have to do the same on the other one. What's holding it is those ends are bent in, so I'll just take them out, take the salting out, then I'll start cutting the aluminum foil in half. I've done it before with a knife. So here it is off on the two sides. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut the foil in the middle with an IKEA knife. The handle, piece of shit, because the rubber on it deteriorated like after a month of using, but I took it off and the blade is quite good. I'm going to bring another knife. I had no luck with this one. It's probably not sharp enough. Oh, this steep angle makes it hard to cut the aluminum. Here I've cut this side. It's too hard to do. Oh, it's a much harder process even with a knife like that. Hopefully, I mean, it'll just take time. In all probability, the aluminum leaves here are much thicker than the ones I cut before. Okay, so I've cut it in two with the help of the Chinese grinder, some oil that I put on the disc, and the knife, again with oil. So what we have now is like a two-piece. What I have to do now is make a 90-degree turn, so it'll be in one ply. What I'll do is I'll do 45 on this side and 45 on this side. So here we are, as you can see. There's a little bend here, but it's still doable. Still possible for the coolant to pass here. It's not broken. So it looks at the end. I'll probably have to fold one of the sides to make it thinner. Wish me luck.